Happy morning, children. Today we are going to see Unit 7 Introduction, Energy and its Sources. So what is energy? Energy is all around us. Everywhere it is there. We can see different forms of energy every day. Ironing clothes, driving car, for everything. Even whatever you do, all the things, we need energy. But what is this energy? You have learned in your last chapter that energy helps us to do things. Energy makes things happen, but in scientific terms, energy is the ability to do work. You're able to do work, that is because of the energy. You know, the work is said to be done when force moves an object in the direction of the applied force. Okay, when you apply force, when object is moved from one place to another, then only we say work is said to be done. Conversion of energy. So energy changes from one form to another. Every form of energy that we see in our everyday lives comes from another form of energy. That is, in this chapter we are going to see what is energy and what we are going to see finally how it reaches the usable form. Before that, the first one is light energy. What is light energy? Yes, we get from the sunlight. Light energy is very important to us. It helps us to see the world around us. Only the sunlight is doing everything, you all know. It helps the plants grow, make their own food, and plants are a source of food to us. So other animals eat plants. In that way, main source is sun. So light energy helps to sustain life on Earth. From where does this light energy come from? We get light from only sun, bulbs, tube lights, fire candles, sun, to name a few. So the sun is the natural source of light energy. So are the stars. Any other source of light energy is there? Fireflies. Fireflies you can see in the night, which emit light on at one end of their body. It will have light. Then fireflies have their own, some form of life, can produce their own light. Okay, it's a special phenomenon called bioluminescence. They use chemicals present in their body to create light. Even in the jellyfish, you can see certain jellyfish that live in the deepest parts of the ocean. They use bioluminescence. Deep in the ocean, there is no sunlight or anything. But there are many insects, many water animals that emit light from their body. They do this because they live deep waters which are very difficult for the sunlight to reach. Okay. Bulbs, tube lights and other devices are man-made sources of energy. They convert electrical energy. What is the energy used in the bulb? Electrical energy is converted to light energy. Current is so electrical energy. You know that electricity comes to our homes from power plants, which use either fossil fuels, moving water, or energy from the sun. Fire and candles are also man-made sources of energy. Fire and candles. So these are the things, for examples for light energy. Wood and fossil fuels can be used to create fire. The wax used in the candle also comes from fossil fuels. What is fossil fuel? Dead animal remaining matters. Plants, everything in the soil is fossil. Okay. After many years, the animals, dead plants, animals, everything inside the soil, they turn into fossil, from which petroleum and other products are used for. Fuel is used for burning. Okay, sun lende we get electricity. Yes, solar energy. From water also we get electricity. From fossil fuels also we get electricity. Fossil is mainly for burning, candle, fire, different types. All that gives light energy. Here electricity is produced and that gives bulb. Bulb gives us light energy. So electrical energy is converted into light energy. Sun is a natural source of light energy. Okay. So sun directly gives energy. Sun gives electricity and then it gives energy through bulb. Then water, from water you can create electricity. From that bulb is burning and then from that you get light energy. From fossil fuels also you can create electricity and then it makes a light glow and then it gives light energy. And fossil fuels burning can cause fire and that candle also is burning. That is also giving light energy. That is how light energy is. Thank you, children.